Last year we released CodeCell, one of the smallest ESP32 modules out there, packed with wireless control and has 10 built-in sensory functions. But many of you have been asking for a way to control it wirelessly. Sure, you can link to devices over ESP now, but most projects need more than just a connection. They need sliders, buttons and even a joystick. To be honest, there are tons of these apps out there, but the ones I used are either cluttered with ads, use outdated libraries, or just have poor documentation. So we wanted to build something better that is clean, free and easy to use. And together we created Microlink. Starting today, every CodeCell will start shipping with a new updated software, so that it automatically links with the Microlink app. Just power it on and it will instantly detect if you connected one of our other modules, like the drive cell or the motor cell. So you don't need to code anything, you can just power the motor or actuator right away. But if you want to take things further, the Microlink Arduino library lets you unlock 4 buttons, 3 sliders, a joystick and even a live debugging screen. And using the CodeCell library you can make your projects even more interactive by using the onboard sensors. The app will automatically enable features based on what functions your CodeCell project includes. And to make things even easier, there are over 6 ready-to-use examples to help you get started right away. So we really hope that Microlink will make your CodeCell module even more useful for your projects. The app is now available on the Google Play Store and an iOS version will also be launched later this month. Microlink will also act like a central hub for our upcoming wireless devices. We're very excited about what we've been building, so stay tuned.